Hello, this is my website. The theme from my project so far has been nature. So my web page was designed to tie all of my work together. All of the photos used on this website are photos that I took personally, the background photos and all. I love nature and I try to capture as much of it as I can when I get the opportunity. So here are some photos. At the top of the page, um, here's all the different tabs that are available. So the whole theme is nature, right? So enjoy nature. This is just a quick overview. Find beauty in the little things. Okay, and if you click here, it'll take you to more photos that I just have taken in nature. Yes, that's me holding a spider. And I know I'm scrolling through all of these pretty quickly, but there's also the option, so if you want to slow it down, or if you want to click on an individual photo, you can look at it for as long as you want to. And then you can go back through and get to the next photo like that. Right? So and we're back to the beginning. Awesome. So those are all the photos that I have on here. And if you click listen, it will open up my audio project. So for my audio project, I used all sounds found in nature like birds chirping, rainfall, and I used it to accompany the sounds of me playing a string instrument. So all the string parts heard are me playing the song Lanigan's Ball, which is played on my viola. So that's my audio project. And this background here is, just a little park because the project is called Fiddlers in the Park. Now for my video project, I use my iPhone to record two cardinals flying and kind of defending their territory in nature. The song Canon in D is played in the background to kind of add a little pep to the video. But if you click watch, it'll automatically play. and that was my video project. So whether it's film or audio, the editing always influences the story, the way everything flows together and the way the story unfolds, whether it be musically, visually, it's molded together by the editing, and that kind of pulls it all together. So this has been my website. Um, Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.